Amazon FBA course and exactly what you need to do to be successful when selling on Amazon. I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys when it comes to selling on Amazon and how the whole process works. So first of all, I want to be completely transparent with you guys. It's literally impossible to teach Amazon FBA literally all in one video. It takes hours and hours of so much content to learn because you're literally building a whole long-term business. So with selling on Amazon, there's a lot of things that you need to learn down the lines, like finding the supplier, filtering those suppliers, making sure the product checks well with what you want to sell, making sure it's not competitive. I have all those videos for you guys literally for free. I have a free Amazon course. I'm going to have it in the link down below. It's a free course that teaches you guys exactly what you need to do when selling on Amazon and all the steps. Literally, there's nothing needed with it. That's the cool part about it. I wanted to make this really transparent with you guys that I have a free course, no credit card needed. All you need to do is just sign up. You can literally start 2 minutes from now and have 30 videos for you guys or more of free content to get started with Amazon. And then later down the line, I have a more advanced course if you want to take it like a full-time income or make it serious and make it a real-time full-time job, then you can always check out that advanced course. The advanced course isn't free, but it's always there for you if you want to take that next step with Amazon. So just to show you guys the potential with selling on Amazon and exactly how to make your full-time business is with a tool like Helium-10 or Jungle Scout. I personally recommend Helium-10. These are the two tools that most Amazon sellers use, is because it gives you all the data when it comes to selling on Amazon. So with tools like this, you're able to see exactly how much people are making every day on Amazon, how much sales they're making, how much revenue and profit they're making, if the products are competitive or not. Things like this are going to give you all the data of exactly what you need to do in order to be successful on Amazon. Without doing this, you'd probably be on the blind. You wouldn't know exactly what to do and all the steps you need to take with Amazon. They even have a bunch of tools like Black Box. This is a tool that you're able to filter through a bunch of products and see if the product is competitive or not, and to see if it's a good product to start selling on Amazon. This tool just gives you a bunch of product ideas that you might want to consider selling down the line. It also gives you a keyword tracker to see what your products are ranked and how your products are ranked. Personally, I get all my products ranked on that first page of Amazon because no one's looking on the third page, fourth page, fifth page. Nobody's doing that. Everybody wants to buy the products really quick, scrolling through the phone, sometimes even driving. They're making an impulse decision and they're looking for good reviews, good pictures, good videos, and they make the buy, and that's it. And it comes in their house a day or two. So I teach you guys exactly how to do Amazon Prime, because personally, I don't have any of my products in my apartment or anything like that. It's directly to Amazon's warehouse. I get all my products from China to Amazon's warehouse, and I don't have to worry about a thing. So Helium-10 is by far the best tool that I recommend you to use if you're trying to grow on Amazon or trying to even build a long-term Amazon business. I have plenty of videos regarding all these tools and exactly how to use them in my YouTube channel. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, scroll through these videos. I have a bunch of videos to help you guys out. And if you don't have Helium-10, I have a link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments, to give you guys the best discount when it comes to using this platform. So just to give you guys an idea of what you want to do and how you want to build an Amazon business, the first thing you're going to need to do is make an Amazon Seller Central account. And then this, you can do it for free. You can go to start.amazon.com. And with this, you're able to create a free account. Nothing is needed if you sign up as an individual. If you sign up as a business, you have to pay monthly. But if you do as an individual, that I recommend, I have all this information in my free course as well. Like, that's the cool thing about it. Like, I have a bunch of information for you guys, but you want to sign up as a free individual. And then you want to just get familiar with the Amazon platform, learn how to scroll through it. This is how exactly it looks. You want to scroll through this and get familiar with all the tabs here, the inventory, stuff like this. And then you're going to want to find a product to start selling on Amazon. You're going to want to get a tool like this. And with this tool, I have a bunch of videos on my course as well as on my YouTube channel that show you guys exactly how to do Amazon product research. This product research is going to filter the best products to start selling on Amazon, the best ideas, and something that's not so competitive that you can make around $250 to $350 off your first product profit per day. And then you can scale from there. See, when I'm selling on Amazon, this is what I aim for: $250 to $350 per product, and then keep it going from there. So like I have like 10 products now. I'm averaging around $2,000 profit per day off these little small products, and these little small products grow into bigger and larger products. So that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to grow a long-term business. You're trying to make a little snowball effect of growing every year 50 to 100% off these little products that you can start selling. You can see here with the profit margin over $1 million in sales and $420,000 in net profit. And you want to focus mainly on the margin. The net margin is the profit margin that you want to make sure that you're doing with selling on Amazon. So after you find the product that you want to start selling, then you're going to want to find a supplier. I personally recommend alibaba.com. This is where you find all the manufacturers for that product. Make sure it falls under all the categories that I teach you guys. I'm telling you, there's so much to this. It's on my free course, but you're gonna want to find a supplier for it. It needs to fall under 3 categories. Has a high profit margin, is not so competitive, has high search volume, and it's small and light. Then you're gonna want to get that supplier, test out a few samples of the product, send it to Amazon's warehouse, and start selling it. The whole process takes around a month to 3 months to start your Amazon business. But once you start and you have a good price to start selling, you're going to be making a good amount of money. Just need to make sure the product is not so competitive. Like I said, it's in my course down below. If you want to learn all this information, you can just click that link down below. If you need any help regarding Amazon, you can always leave a comment down below. I read them all. I try to help you guys out as much as possible, and you can always direct message me on Instagram as well. I'll try to help out as much as possible for you guys. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions regarding Amazon, or you have anything that you want to learn, leave a comment down below. Also hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.